I'd first like to start off this video with a quick clip from the first video I published this year. Let's give it a listen. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you being here. This year, I'm really banking on hitting my subscriber goal of 1K, which I know isn't that crazy of a milestone. That video was published on January 11th, 2023, where I only had 618 subscribers. Fast forward to today, the last day of the year, I'm now at this amount of subscribers. I imagine it's a little over 2,700 since I'm filming in advance. That is subscriber growth I clearly did not see coming back in January. I think I'll predict 10K subs in 2024. Let's see if we can do it. Moving on, in 2023, I published this many videos, including the one you're watching right now, and this many shorts. You'll notice these numbers are notably lower than last year's published count. And I fully attribute this to my new day job that took up way more of my time and contributed to more screen fatigue than my last job. Now, jumping into my analytics, the highest traffic source on my channel this year is from YouTube search by somewhat of a significant amount. My strategy has always been to optimize for search, so this isn't much of a surprise to me, and I'll allow my past self to explain why. Because of my niche and what I create videos about, I generally optimize my videos to rank in search, and I most likely will continue this into 2023. Most of my subscribers that joined the channel this year technically came from music photography related content, when you combine all of the top videos together. But the singular video that gave me the most subscribers was actually a short on how to create vertical sequences in Premiere Pro. Kind of unexpected, to be honest. That short is currently at 175,000 views at the time of recording this video. Now for monetization. My channel's first day being monetized was exactly 2 months ago on November 1st, 2023. And in my first month of being monetized, I made roughly $45 just from AdSense. And since I won't know the yearly total by the time this video is published, I'll add December's and 2023's total earnings in the description below. Once I have the data, that's always 2 days behind. Similar to last year, I thought I'd drop my 2 favorite videos that I published this year, which are on the screen now, and also linked in the description below. Highly recommend checking them out if you haven't already. Looking ahead into 2024, I'd definitely like to increase my monthly AdSense earnings. I'm not sure what a good prediction would be since I don't have enough data to work with yet, but I'd like to at least get to $100 to $150 a month. As far as content goes, music photography content will most likely still come into play. It's become my bread and butter on this channel, which is funny because I joke about retiring from music photography a lot more these days. But I'd also like to get more into travel related content. So we'll see how it all goes, and I hope you'll join me regardless of which direction we take. All that to say that starting this YouTube channel continues to be one of the greatest decisions I've ever made, and I have no intention of slowing down. Lastly, I'm not sure what this will look like yet, but look forward to some sort of product or merch or membership or something in the coming year. And if you have anything specific in mind, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm all ears and open to feedback. This is it, guys. 2024 is right around the corner. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.